to start it over again? Yeah.
Wow. All right, one more time. Now this is a story all about how Lauren and Michael's love was found. And I'd like to take a minute, so sit right there and I'll tell you how these two make a great pair. In San Marcos, not born or raised on the football field where they spend most of their days. Michael trying to relax and be cool while Lauren flirting next to her sidekick Jules. When both of them thought, hey, this will be good, they started hanging out as much as they could. And on December 21st, Michael declared, will you marry me before I get another white hair? Wedding bells is all she could hear. Look how bright Julie's Lauren Miller is here. I'm joking, I'm kidding, I promise, I swear. Someone call the cops if she pulls my hair. They've been dating a few months, maybe 7 or 8, and Lauren loves Mike and everything is great. Of course she said yes, she went and bought a dress. To Lauren and Mike, I wish you the best.